Hi friends, it's Gabriela from Makenstitch.com. Today I want to show you how to separate your thread for the project you're working on the easy way. Pull out and cut about 30 to 40 centimeters of thread, more or less the distance from your fingers to your elbow. Separate one or how many strands you need for your project. Pull the separated strand while holding firmly the rest. Thread your needle and that's it, you're ready to start stitching your project. Thank you for watching guys, see you on makenstitch.com for more tips and free patterns of course. Bye!